Hey guys, this is Anonymous Adam, and I am currently watching the news on the 8.9 that hit Japan, and I'm gonna pause this for a minute here. Check this out. I'm checking out the USGS, and man, try to ignore any snoring if you hear any people snoring. There's people sleeping in my house right now, but look at this. This is just nuts. Everywhere I look, I mean, from China to, which there's all kinds of China up on here, to New Mexico, Russia. I mean, what is this? By the way, today is 3/11/11. Look at this. Ethiopia and Florida is about the only ones that look decent. Again, this is the USGS site. I just wanted to show you guys what I was seeing. I didn't know if my eyes was messing with me or what, but this is not pretty at all. Brazil, I mean, wow. Look at this, all the way down. Oh man. Anyway, this is just an update. I already threw up probably too many of these videos, but I wanted to show this. This is nuts. Anyway, check it out for yourself. I'll leave a link. Peace out.